Good morning all, my name is Ryan Olson with Whitebone Creations, and man, again, I'm so excited to be bringing you this product. Now, real quick, most of you that watch know that I've been running the Civilware IBK interchangeable blade knife, fixed handle for a little over a year and a half. Several hundred skulls with this exact knife, and it's like new. I love it. Now, I have known for some time that there's a folder on the way, and it's here. This thing is just fan-freaking-tastic. So, all the same technology as far as what holds the blade in place. I've done half a dozen skulls with this knife over the past 2 weeks. It's brilliant. We just got off a 5-day trip at Lake Mead with the family. We were cutting rope, zip ties, spreading peanut butter and jelly, cutting burritos in half, washing it in the silty soil in the lake. It is bulletproof. I love it. The reason I'm talking to you about this knife, I get $0. No sponsors, no royalties, no special codes. I'm not in it for any money. I never have been. I think if you invested in this knife, you would find me and thank me in person. It is that good. It feels good in your hand. It's got a wicked good clip for your belt. It moves easy. Blades are super easy to interchange. They go on nice. There's a coating on it that makes it slide on like you've been using it for years and years. But my favorite thing about the knife is it accommodates that 70 XT blade. Now, anybody that's ever been here knows that that's my blade. That's the one I use for everything. And this is the only knife that will accommodate it without any sort of modifications. I love it. This is it. Let's take a look at a quick clip of me putting it to work. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Bottom line, as a sportsman, as a conservationist, as a cook, as a furless taxidermist, this knife has made my world so much simpler. I love it, and I think you'll be happy if you make the investment. Thank you so much for watching.